Hi, I'm Phil, and I'm going to tell you the difference between beside and besides. That's one small letter, but it's quite a big difference. Beside, with no S, is a preposition, and we usually use it to talk about physical position. So you can say, put the chair beside the table, or come and sit beside me. It's like a more formal version of next to. Now, besides with an S is either a preposition or an adverb, and is often used to add information. Besides knowing grammar well, you need to have a good vocabulary. You should do something else besides studying. Here, it's like as well as. As an adverb, it's often used to add a more important or stronger point. I'm going to practice now because I've got time, and besides, I need to. It's like a less formal version of moreover. So, besides remembering that beside is for physical position, remember that besides is for adding information.